You need to hear this if you drive a Ford Explorer. Brakes could save your life. Here's what you need to know. Let's break it down. Brake problems in Ford Explorers are more common than you might think. The most frequent issue is a soft or spongy brake pedal. This means you press down and it feels mushy, like something's not right. Sometimes you might hear grinding or squeaking when you stop. That's a warning sign too. So, what causes these brake problems? It could be something simple like low brake fluid, or your brake pads might be worn down. In some cases, a faulty brake booster or a leak in the brake lines is the real problem. If your brakes aren't working right, don't wait. Pull over safely and call for help. Keep an eye out for warning lights on your dashboard too. Regular maintenance can catch small problems before they become big ones. Remember, your brakes are your car's most important safety feature. If something feels off, get it checked out by a professional right away. It's better to be safe than sorry. Stay safe out there and take care of your brakes.